Are you engineer and you want to find your next job in Gulf region in companies like ADNOC, Aramco, their service companies, their consultant companies, oil and gas sector, and big multinational construction industries, right? In today's video, I am going to suggest you one very prime skill, very valuable skill, which you all engineers, diploma holders, and professional people can learn it. And over the period of 2 to 3 months, it is result oriented, and you can see by yourself that how quickly you are going to get job interview calls. Yes, this skill is called Primavera P6. Primavera P6 is basically a software. This is by Oracle company. This software is going to manage your complex projects, like you are working on building construction projects, road, pipeline, your hydrocarbon power plants, your combined cycle power plants, wind energy, solar, any project you can just imagine, you can manage within this software. How to manage the data, of course, is extracted by the professional engineers. They first need to learn how to play with the data, how to understand the data. Like, I'm going to give you an example. Like, I'm a civil engineer and I'm very fond of to work on building construction projects or road construction projects. Now this building is given a certain time period, that a client authority is going to give the 1 year timeline or 2 years of timeline to the contractor side, that they need to deliver this building in that time span, with these standards, with this cost limits, with these resource capacities, and with these risk uncertainties, right? So now project management implementation will be there. How to manage your project work, how to manage your project time, how to manage your project cost, how to manage your project resources and risk as well. And time to time, over the period of this 1 year, the client is going to expect the reporting submission from the contractor side every week, where this project is standing, so that client is going to take the decision what is the next. So that is how we can successfully execute or deliver the project from contractor to the client as per the specifications and requirement. So here comes the demand of planning engineer who is skilled in this specific job career like Primavera P6. If this guy is enabled to understand the data and incorporate all of that data with project different kind of stages, that how and when and how much cost it will require to complete that one foundation of building, substructure of building, how much cost, time, resources it will take to complete the columns, beams, top roof, and mechanical, electrical, and plumbing work, right? So we can make our decisions very clearly, very quickly. Our strategies can be visualized, and we can go from one strategy to another strategy to save our money, to save our cost. So if I talk about specifically in Gulf region, projects are very sensitive. If we talk about, they are time oriented and cost constraints, because authorities or clients in Gulf region are very sensitive to these KPIs, key performance indicators. If any civil engineer, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, industrial, chemical, or any management professional who is watching right now this video, they can learn Primavera P6 project planning and control, and they can produce the worth for the recruiters. Because after that, when you are going to add these skills in your profile, recruiters can consider you for one job interview opportunity, and you can prove yourself that yes, you can solve their problem. Because the time we are living now is not job hunting model kind of thing, it is create your own opportunities. When I talk about create your own opportunities, it means you have to start learning the skills, find out the companies which are going to hire you on the basis of those skills, and make your path by yourself. That is called create your own opportunities. Don't wait that you are civil, electrical, mechanical, and any random company HR recruiter is going to contact you by luck, right? It is not gonna happen. Learn skills and make your own path. Furthermore, I would explain that learning Primavera P6 is not only going to place you in Gulf region, it is also going to get you in the job pool of oil and gas sector, to which we are dreaming a lot that I should find a job in oil and gas sector. Because in oil and gas sector, you can see there are majorly divided into three sectors: upstream industry, midstream industry, and downstream industry. If you talk about any sector in oil and gas sector, management is very important sector. You are drilling side, you are on the upstream side, or midstream, downstream, managing pipeline, building roads, your tanks, your refineries, your petrochemical, everywhere you will find EPC industry. And EPC planning is the most important skill set every engineer need to understand. Because after technical reporting, understanding, project planning, and control, you will be eligible to get shortlisted and hired in multinational companies in Gulf region. Apart from this placement in Gulf region on site or in head offices, there is one more benefit to learn Primavera P6. If you are enough sharp and you can understand these skills, you can grip on these skills as a package, like as a planning engineer, professionally, you can perform your job. Then I would suggest you one more very enthusiastic job role, that is remote job roles in America, in Europe, in Australia, and Canada, because companies in those regions are not preferring to hire people on site. They prefer to hire people from India and Pakistan on very low rates, but those rates are very higher as compared to the existing contractors in Gulf and in your own country. You can just connect with them online, virtually, right? And you can take the contract monthly basis. You can perform their duties from your room, from your home, from your town, and you can execute the job. It's very easy to go, and modern remote job environment is there. So why civil engineers, electrical, mechanical engineers should not get such kind of remote job roles as a freelancer? So guys, if you are enough enthusiastic, passionate, you are civil engineer, electrical, mechanical, and you think that you can do this remote job role, or you want to find job placement in Gulf region by learning Primavera P6 project planning and control, just write one time in comment section Primavera P6 project planning and control. My team is going to take you in live free masterclass where I'm going to talk with you people for 1 hour for your career counseling, for more awareness, for more information and all that, so that our platform can help you to convert your job career from site engineering, from low salary, from unproductive or stuck career, to the growing career, to the planning engineering career, to the freelancer remote job career. So before signing off this video, I would request you people to subscribe this channel and write in the comment area. Thank you very much.